Hey everybody, welcome back to Other Speed Shop. So I had somebody ask me if I could do a video on how to remove the door cards on a 69 Firebird or a first gen Firebird, because they're gonna convert theirs to the deluxe interior, but they want to know how to take the original panels off. So I'm gonna do a quick video on how to do that. So let's get into it. So these are the door cards in question, and these are my new ones. And what the heck did I get on there? Dang it, is that glue? But anyway, so it's fully assembled except for I don't have the window crank, because I'm still debating on whether or not I'm going power on that. I don't want to put a hole in there yet until I do it, until I know for sure. I'm pretty sure I'm going power. So basically, what I wanted to know is how you get this card off. So we're going to get into that and do a step-by-step tutorial. So let's do it. All right, so probably one of the simplest steps is just to unscrew your lock button here. What the heck was that just crawling across the floor? But anyways, so you unscrew your lock button, so that exposes this metal rods, because you got to be careful with that, because it can damage your panels. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is remove your armrest, and that's held in with 3 screws, one here, one down here, and one over here. So you get those out, you can remove the armrest. These are like number 3 size Phillips head, but number 2 screwdriver works really good for it. So I guess they're probably closer to number 2 size. They usually stick in the armrest too, so you shouldn't have to worry about them falling out on you. I've actually enlarged the holes on mine to make it easier to install. All right, so that takes care of that portion, so your armrest is off. So the next thing you want to do is remove your door handle. That's where this tool comes into play. It's a little removal tool for the clip that holds these in. And if you kind of look, let me zoom in on it a little bit here. So if you look right here, there's a little clip right there, and this just slides right in and pops that clip out, which allows you to get the clip out completely here, just to get out of the way. So that's your clip that I'm talking about. And to get this off, it should pull straight out, but just going to give it a couple little wiggles up and down and side to side and around, and it'll pop right off there. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate using the door latch, the door handle, to demonstrate how to remove your window crank, because like I said, I don't have mine on here right now, and a lot of times you're going to have one of these little things on there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right on there. All right, so that's clipped in now. And it's the same concept, you just can't see the clip as easily. And you just stick it in there, make sure you go between the plastic and it. You just gotta find that thing, and it's usually lined up with the handle like that. So most of the time, I've never seen it go in the other direction. Well, maybe I have, but most of the time you'll see it, and this goes in from this side of the handle. So basically the same thing, you just gotta find that clip in there. There it goes. So basically, you get this flat part onto the flat bottom of the handle, and it pops right off. And you can see right there, the clip has popped out. So basically, you want it to be flat on that, and it lines it perfectly up, just like that. All right, so the next portion, let me zoom you back out. Now, I don't have all the clips on this, because I'm not ready to install it yet. But on most of these panels, there's going to be a screw that screws in down here, which I have one. There'll be another one in this corner over here, which I don't have in there because I'm not ready to do that one yet. And there is 1, 2, 3 pins that look like this. So you have these little clips that look like that. And in the door, there's a plastic piece that goes in like that. So they clip in to the door like that. And like I said, this is in the door. This is going to go on this will be on your actual panel. I'm going to show you how to remove these with the tool. There's a couple different tools you can use. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and remove the screw down at the bottom. So that way it's loose. All right, so we got that loose down at the bottom. Screw that in so it don't fall out. So that's away from the door now. Okay, so the next thing we do is we've got the tool. This is kind of an automatic one, which works really nice. And you got these style right here too. There's a bunch of different styles you can use. You can use a screwdriver. You just gotta be careful, because You want to get around the pin so that way it pops out cleanly. So I'm going to use this one to do mine. So then I got the bottom one in right here, so you just get this in between there and just kind of pop it out like that. And that's all there is to it. And you got to do that, so it'd be 5 more times. There's one here, one here, one here, one here, and there's 3 more on this side to pop it out. All right, so once you got that popped out, the way I found it's easiest to pull these out, you just kind of tilt it up and slide it forward a little bit and pop it up out, just like that. Because these have little hooks in them and they kind of catch on different areas of the door. And you can see where it goes, where it rests on right here. So that's pretty much all there is to removing that. But that's all there is to it. Quick and easy way of removing your door panel. Like I said, there's 5 more pins you gotta have on there. I only had the 1 on there because I'm not ready to fully install this yet. But if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment down there. Let me know what I can do better. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So until next time, I'll see y'all later.